Rihanna has a container with a volume of 1.5 liters. She estimates the volume to be 2.1 liters. What's her percent error? So when calculating percent error, in order to do that, the actual is the 100%, or the original, times the percent error, and it's the error that is the same place as the change. So to calculate the error, you would take the estimate, which is, so first you have to find the error. You take the estimate, which she had as 2.1 liters, and it says the container with a volume. So this is the real volume. That's the actual, and I'm going to subtract away the actual. So she was a little more than what it's a little bit less than what she thought. So she was over. That's 0.6 is the error, and I subtracted those. So now I'm just going to use the equation. So I put the error in as where I would put the change in the other equation. Time equals the percent times the actual amount, which is 1.5. So then to solve this problem, I do the opposite of multiply, which is divide, and I divide both sides by 1.5 because that is the number I'm multiplying by. So I use the bar to show division and divide the other side by 1.5. So now I'm dividing 6/10 divided by 1 5/10, and that's going to give me a decimal. And so that's 4/10, and I need to change that to a percent. So I'm going to move the decimal 2 places to the right, fill my empty spaces with zeros, and I have 40% is her percent error.